Hi there, today we are helping customers load 3 containers. Here are the containers. 1, 2, and here's the third one. We are pulling out items out from storage and load them in the truck.
We were contacted to help load these 3 containers which will be shipped overseas. An indoor playground companies take a bunch of equipment and playground parts back to France. We cannot simply empty the storage units and load the containers immediately. Due to port and custom regulations in France, we needed to stage all items outside to be listed and labeled before loading and packing the containers. The 4 shirtless guys you see came from France to coordinate the work and to do part of the loading. The guys wearing white shirts are the ones from our crew. We brought a ramp to access the container that will receive most of the furniture and the heaviest items. These will ensure more efficiency and safety to our work. Inside the third trailer we put sprinkler steel piping, a huge number of boards and many slide sections. If you need to load or pack portable containers such as pods, pack rats, SAMs, and shipping containers, call, text or WhatsApp us at 954-445-4357. I take this opportunity to say a special thank you to my crew. Everybody always working hard, well synchronized and in good spirits. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. One more job done. God bless America.